didn't expect to see you so soon.
Anakin. You look the same.
You look old. You lost a fight.
I don't remember.
Trust me. You lost. It means you still have a chance.
Tell me what's going on.
I'm here to finish your training.
It's a little late for that.
One is never too old to learn, Snips.
What's the lesson, Master?
Live or die. I haven't taught you everything yet.
Forward! Master!
Hurry up, Snips!
This is the Clone Wars! This was one of our first missions. Why are we here?
You tell me!
Master! Wait!
Gotta keep up!
What about my training?
This is your training! Be right back. Come on, Snips. The battle's not over yet. There are more separatist droids approaching. Is there a problem?
We lost so many.
There's always a price to be paid.
It was my fault. They were following my orders.
This is war, Ahsoka. As Jedi, it's our job to lead. That doesn't mean we don't make mistakes. We must adjust to the times. Look, when Obi-Wan taught me, we were keepers of the peace.
Is that all I'll have to teach my own Padawan one day? How to fight?
You know, teaching's not all it's cracked up to be.
Really? What makes you say that?
I'm joking. Listen, I'm teaching you how to lead, how to survive. And to do that, you're going to have to fight.
What if I want to stop fighting?
Then you'll die.
Come on, let's go!
I don't know this battle.
This was the siege of Mandalore. We had parted ways by now.
You did well. You're a warrior now. Ahsoka, within you will be everything I am. All the knowledge I possess. We're part of a legacy.
But my part of that legacy is one of death and war. You are more Anakin. But more powerful and dangerous than anyone realized.
You've learned nothing.
Don't say that.
I gave you a choice. Live or die. You lack conviction. Trying to die.
I choose to live.
There's hope for you yet.
Anakin.
We got her, John.
Welcome back, Lady Tennant.
How long have I been out?
One rotation. However, you might have been lost for good, if not for Jason.
Ahsoka!
I owe you my thanks.
I heard you fighting.
Hey, I have an idea. Huyang, why don't you show Jason inside your starship?
Come along. I'll show you the training room.
You have a training room in your starship? Will you train me?
No.
Ahsoka finally finds that Sabine had betrayed her, but she knows that she has done out of goodwill, and probably she will help Ahsoka out in the episode 6, which is the finale of the season, and probably we'll see them reunite again in the last episode of Ahsoka.
कोई पैदा नहीं हुआ जो डिवाइड रिपोर्ट आ गए
कदे को गल्ला हाथ मार के ले दे फोन पूछ ले तंग हो गए हरिद्वार आए तो रूम पहले बुक कर ले क्योंकि यहाँ पे कोई रूम नहीं मिलता अभी हम घूम रहे हैं ऐसे ही रूम ढूंढते हुए अगर मिल भी रहे हैं तो वो 4 बंदों के लिए नहीं मिल रहे और बहुत महंगे मिल रहे हैं तो पहले से ही बुक करके आए पकड़ ले हो और अपने खैर मसालो इस बार कुछ नहीं बंदा है कुत्ते हम अरे कुत्ते हम करते पाओगे वैसे भी यहाँ पे रात के 10 बज चुके हैं क्राउड बहुत ज़्यादा है यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा पार्किंग के लिए भी हमें जगह नहीं मिल रही थी बड़ी मुश्किल से मिली है